How to check your primary location on Facebook. So if you want to check your primary location on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now under settings, you will have your activity, right? So you need to scroll down and go with your activity. Under your activity, you'll have activity log. Tap on it. Now here you need to scroll down and you will find an option of location. You can go with your logged information, which is right here, and then scroll down and go with location. Go with the drop down or just tap on location, manage location, and that's it. You'll now see the location Facebook has set as your primary one. You've just found your primary location on your Facebook. If the location looks off, it might be based on your recent login or IP data. But now you can check anytime. In my case, I've turned my location off, but if it's turned on, you'll have all of your information right here. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.